So today I have a special announcement for you guys. I am opening a brand new course today called the Snare Hacker Formula, where I'm going to work with you for the next 10 weeks on how to transform the way you practice and play snare drum. I constantly get questions from you guys about how to develop your snare drum technique. Specific questions like how to work on your roll, how to develop the intricacies of your grip, how to work on Delacluze etudes or excerpts. And these auditions are the barriers between you and getting to where you want to be. The struggle of building snare drum technique is real. The urgency is now. That's why I want to work with you for the next 10 weeks to completely transform how you practice snare drum. We're gonna install a warm-up for you where you can methodically expand your snare drum technique and vocabulary on a daily basis. I'm gonna show you how to learn music so that you can sculpt amazing little phrases with more detail and finesse and musicality. And I'm gonna show you how to write your own exercises that are perfectly targeted for your specific obstacles that you are having with your technique. Enrollment just opened today. You can sign up between now and Sunday night at midnight Eastern time. The two options are boot camp, where you go through every week with me and we do live sessions together, or the self-study where you get all the trainings for 10 weeks, but you do it all on your own. So if you want to see the details about the course, you can go over to robknopper.com/snarehacker right now to check it out. And if you have questions for me, you can feel free to write them in the comments or email me directly at hello@robknopper.com. And I guess my last question to you is this: if you're going to spend that much time and effort practicing snare drum, don't you wish you just had a fully prepared plan that actually works? I hope you'll consider enrolling in the course. I'll see you guys in there.